Yo, what's good, y'all? Welcome back to the channel of Finance Man. You already know it's your boy, Let's to the EGO. So yeah, man, basically, guys, man, it's the 7th of August, another market update, another day, another dollar, man. And yeah, if you're new to this channel, guys, please do me and yourself a favor by hitting that subscribe button and obviously turning on the post notification bell so you can be notified whenever I drop a new banger, right? So on the yesterday's video, guys, the latest market update that I've done, I did talk about USD CAD, and I just wanna get back to that for a moment. Let me just remove this because this wasn't here. Remember, guys, I did tell you that USD CAD has to come to this area of interest before probably we can start going up again, right? So what happened yesterday is that on the 4 hour time frame, if I'm not mistaken, let me just go on the 4 hour time frame and see what's happening there. Yes, on the 4 hour time frame, guys, I did see that price here had this 4 hour area of interest, or we can say a structure point. And obviously now you can see how price has been playing around here. So what I waited for, guys, was a shift of structure on the 15-minute time frame, of which you can see I got right over there, right? I got the shift of structure. Price has been moving bullish here, and then obviously now it broke this bullish trend, turning this into a bearish trend, and we also got that engulfing candlestick. So obviously, with that being said, guys, price literally just it melted, guys, as you can see. And yeah, man, that's how USD CAD went. Let me just take everything back the way it was, because I am currently anticipating USD CAD to obviously now retest on this daily area of interest, right? So now you see that on the 4 hour time frame on USD CAD, obviously now we bearish, right? Like the daily time frame was bearish, the 4 hour time frame was bullish, but then yesterday, guys, the 4 hour time frame literally turned bearish, right? And obviously, with that being said, guys, price is now creating lower lows, lower highs, lower low, and obviously now I'm just expecting price to create what, a lower high before actually dropping all the way to the downside, right? So yeah, man, this is basically it on USD CAD. Nothing much to put on there. So yeah, another let's jump to another pair. I also been looking at let's do gold, because I also been looking at gold, guys. Remember, gold, we are currently on the weekly is currently bullish. Let me go on the weekly time frame so we can like restart everything and rephrase, right? So you can see the weekly time frame is currently bullish, guys, giving us higher highs and higher lows, right? And currently price broke this um higher high, creating this higher low, higher high, right? So now obviously now we can anticipate that price is now creating a higher low before actually creating another higher high. And another thing that we were able to see is the fact that it's rejecting of this EMA level, right? So moving on to the daily time frame on gold, guys, we can see that price is currently below this daily area of interest. So obviously what I'm waiting for is gold to obviously now push up and retest our daily area of interest before actually moving towards the upside, right? Because on the daily time frame, remember, guys, we are currently bullish. So what would happen is gold might actually just move like this. The EMA might actually just drop, break the EMA, retest on the daily area of interest plus the EMA before actually start going up again, right? So yeah, man, if I move further to the 4 hour time frame, because on the 4 hour time frame, you can see prices currently reacting off this EMA. And remember, guys, we are below the daily area of interest. So there are possibilities that price might actually just drop, right, and test this area of interest before actually just going up. But then, yeah, man, however way, guys, we're not really interested in taking short positions on gold. Like I'm mainly interested with long positions because of the confluence, guys. The weekly, the daily, we are bullish, and obviously with that being said, guys, I'm just expecting price to move further to the upside. So currently I'm just waiting for price to push up, retest our daily area of interest, give us all our confirmation confluences so we can take our positions to go long. But then that's it on gold. I was also looking at CHF JPY, and on CHF JPY, guys, let me just go on the weekly time frame so I can show you what's happening. So on the weekly time frame, guys, we can see that price is currently bullish, right? Why do I say that? Because price has been creating higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher low, higher high, and obviously now this is the last higher low, guys, and prices are rejecting off that last higher low, right? So obviously the price is bullish like on the weekly time frame, but moving on to the daily time frame, guys, on the daily time frame, what I can be able to see is the fact that price has been moving with higher highs and higher lows, and this seems to be our last higher low, right? And price broke that last higher low and is currently retesting, guys, that higher low and slash daily area of interest, because you can see it's also a daily area of interest where we had multiple of rejections of this daily or a daily area of interest. And obviously not only that, guys, on the daily time frame, it's also rejecting of this daily EMA, guys. But then I don't want to ignore the fact that we had this dodgy, and this is why price is currently going up. So yeah, it's because of this dodgy, guys. Usually when we have candlesticks like this, guys, price usually favors the direction, right? So this was actually a proper retest. I was actually waiting for it to retest this daily area of interest, and now you can see that it's currently above it. And obviously now I'm just waiting for price to, you know, break below properly and retest so we can take our short positions. Hence you can see that it's currently just playing around. You can see even the 1 hour EMA, guys, and stuff like that. So obviously with that being said, guys, I'm just waiting for price to, you know, just push up a bit and yeah, maybe do something like this and then give us all our confirmation so we can take our short positions. But then on CHF JPY, guys, this is my take. I'm currently patiently waiting, right? Just like gold, man, currently patiently waiting for it to, you know, react. I was also looking at US 32. So with that being said, we're just gonna show you quick what's happening on US 30, right? So US 30, guys, we can tell that where's my notes? What the hell? Okay, never mind that. US 30, guys, we can tell that price is bullish. Why do we say that? Because price has been creating higher highs and higher lows, higher highs and higher lows, and this is our last higher low on the weekly time frame. And you can see price failed to break below. It did break below, but then it failed. You know, the candlestick is currently still running, and it doesn't seem like it's gonna close below. So obviously, with that being said, guys, the weekly time frame is obviously bullish, right? So moving on the daily time frame, guys, the daily time frame, we actually bearish, guys. We actually turned bearish yesterday, no, the day before that, on Monday, guys. You can see this was our last higher low, right? Price has been moving with higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, and this is our last higher low, and price obviously broke and closed below it. So with that being said, guys, this is like whenever price breaks a higher low, turning into a bearish market from a bullish market. Now we know that this is our lower low, guys, and you know we always want to take our short positions on our lower high, right? So obviously with that being said, guys, just expecting price to go all the way up, guys, maybe retest this area of interest plus the daily EMA, guys, giving us a higher low so we can take our short positions, right? But then on US 30, man, it's quite simple. Even the 4 hour time frame, you can see I can actually take a counter trend, but then I'm not really comfortable with it. You can see like the momentum is quite heavy, and the way price is just going up right now is I'm just not comfortable with it, right? But then you can see that the 4 hour time frame to price broke above this area of interest and obviously above the EMA too, and is currently rejecting off that EMA. And with that being said, guys, price might actually just, you know, shoot up all the way to this daily area of interest slash structure point before we can actually get our short positions. But then yeah, man, this is my take for a day. Currently I'm looking at NZD, AUD, NZD. I'm currently in these trades, and I'm gonna show you what happened here, right? I was actually looking for buys yesterday, but then I did kind of see that price, the way it's reacting, man. We might actually have ourselves those sells, right? Starting from the weekly time frame, guys. Weekly time frame, we obviously bullish because price has been moving with higher highs, higher lows, higher high, and maybe potentially creating a higher low, right? But then what we want to see, guys, is the fact that price gave us this massive bearish engulfing candlestick, right? and not only it engulfed one candlestick, but it engulfed 4 candlesticks, guys. And you can see like, yo, it's the weekly time frame. So this tells us that obviously now the bears are inside the market, right? Even though it's bullish, but then yeah, man. And then on the daily time frame, we can obviously see prices bearish, right? We see that price has been creating higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, and this is a higher high that's making this our last higher low, and price broke and closed below, right? So with that being said, guys, price on the daily time frame is currently in a bearish market. And what I like also about it is the fact that we had this pin bar rejection on the daily EMA plus the weekly area of interest, indicating to us that no, man, price is actually bearish now, and we should be looking for like short positions, right? So moving on to the 4-hour time frame, guys. 4-hour time frame, it's the same thing, man. Like, I'm not gonna lie, we had this shift of structure on the 4-hour time frame, but then looking, like, reading price, guys, looking at price, we can see that no, man, the only thing that makes sense for us is like following this cells, because you can see like the 4-hour time frame has been moving with lower lows and lower highs, giving us this lower low, lower high, lower low, and then it broke this lower high, right, turning this into a higher high now. And maybe price might actually just come here, to create maybe a higher low before actually moving up, changing structure. But then for me, guys, I'm a bit skeptical about it. Like, I'm not gonna lie, I feel like price can push further to the downside all the way here. But then with me taking these short positions, guys, I'm not really looking to go short long term, right? I'm just looking to obviously take my profits right over here and just go about my business. As you can see also on the 1-hour time frame, that's what I confirmed it with, guys. Yesterday I actually took buys here. It bought for a minute, but then obviously once it got here, I locked my profits, and you can see what happened. Price obviously took me out on break even and started dropping. And another thing that I saw is the fact that now it gave us this head and shoulder pattern, breaking the neckline with this heavy bearish candlestick. And I also saw the fact that price broke this 1-hour structure point, giving us a retest on the structure point plus the EMA, and giving us this nice bearish engulfing candlestick that engulfed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 candlesticks, guys. It's 6 candlesticks. So it basically engulfed a lot of candlesticks. That shows that the bears are already inside the market, and so I took those trades, and I'm just currently waiting for it to further drop, man. But otherwise, man, yeah, I think I'm just gonna cut this video right here, guys, and yeah, I'll see you probably tomorrow, if not on Friday, right? Otherwise, guys, don't forget, if you're new to this channel, please do me and yourself a favor by hitting that subscribe button, man, and obviously turning on the post notification bell so you can be notified whenever I drop a new video, man. Yes, sir.